stuck. Alright, we need to stick together! Can't freaking leave me. It's not that much of a beast, Jerry. Freaking hard ass. Oh my god.
Jerry, right there.
I gotta go.
There's a shitload of rocks on the bottom. I'll let you know right now. There's a freaking creek.
Yo!
It's cold.
It's cold.
Do you want to go down there, or are you just gonna stay here?
You want to go down there?
Yeah, kind of. What? Yeah, you try. I intend to be careful.
Not that careful.
I have a.
Song?
Oh, I just hit
Were you
the
about
back.
to say song?
I have a camera.
I don't freaking.
Gracias.
Shit.
Sorry, I just.
No.
I. Oh, God. Wait! Stop! Stop! Yes, I do want your help. Jerry, quit being a douche. People fell. People look! Okay, Jerry, can you record? Because this isn't working with my glove.
You tired?
No, like, my feet are cold. I don't even say tired.
Is it recording?
Yeah, so.
Oh god! Oh god!
Hey! Well, because you have bare hands, so. You can zoom in and out too. Don't push me anymore. Hey! Oh! There's a hole right there.
What a loser!
There's a hole. Stop! You climbed up that?
You just gonna swing from that?
He's gonna be like George of the Jungle.
George of the
No,
jungle.
no more throwing shit, we're climbing. Hey, we're still climbing.
Oh god!
Oh god. People stop! I hit my chin on the snow.
You hit your chin on the snow?
I think I got
Wow.
snow burn. Oh god!
Ah!
God!
Come on, Max.
Try.
Almost there.
My hand's cold, Jay.
Yeah, my hand's like red.
Oh god! Stop!
Want help?
No, I got. Oh.
You sure you don't want help?
What?
You want some help? Here. Max. What a loser.
I hit my knee on the rock.
Does that guy have our sled? No, I'm just kidding.
Who took your shovel?
Probably.
Here's our sled.
I'm gonna take his face.
I told you the sled would be perfect here. The bicycle guy stole it.
And our shovel.
Where's my truck? It probably got towed.
You guys are sled. Hey, let's walk to the, look at, so we can walk to the road over there. Look, guys, I see a road. I told you you can't leave it in a punch.
Yeah, that's the dirt road.
And they took our shovel. That is your sled.
It is,
our
huh?
shovel? Oh shit, I was talking about this shit.
You probably didn't understand us.
You guys know him? Maybe he's gonna come up here and fucking kill us.
Maybe he thought you said I left your sled over there. Get it for me.
Probably.
Max, come on. Don't do that. You fucking stole it.
Dude, look at see.
Max,
I told you, look, guys, I could die. Look at.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, he did.
He brought it for us.
I'm not sucking shit. The guy probably heard. He's like, "Oh, my place is that."
He brought it for us.
Thank you. He brought our sled.
Say.
I said